Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Hellovia, and today we have ordered a printer, that is a Canon Pixa Ink Efficient G3000 model, and I'm going to share with you all the details why we have chosen this printer, because there are other printers also available in the market like inkjet printers and laser printers, and also other models of this Canon is also available. So we will be showing you the unboxing part. I'll be telling you regarding the price and the features and the durability of this printer. So let's begin first with the unboxing part. This is how Amazon has delivered this printer, and these are the ink bottles. These are the filling refills, and CD. So I will let me just see how to install the ink and everything, and I'll show you as well. So this printer works with CMYK. So this is the black header and this is the colored header. It's a colored printer, and we have opened these headers. So first one is this we have opened, and you need to, these are like this, and you can pull, these are the headers, and we have removed the tape, and all the these tags are there. They have also given a manual along with this, so you can go through that manual and do it by yourself as well. Like this, you have to remove. Yeah, just pull it out. Now moving on to the printer. Yeah, this is how it's going to open. This is the lock that they have provided. Okay, so by this lock is there so that the printer, the movement will not be there while it is in a packing state. So you have to remove this part, and then you have to install these headers first. And also just keep this locking part along with you, because if you are traveling anywhere, so it's recommended that you will remove the headers and you will lock the printer before traveling if you are shifting to any other place. So first you need to open this from here. Yeah, open it. There is a pointer, it's also there, and you have to install the headers. It is written over here, like you have to put C header in C slot and B header in B slot. Just add it slowly, and now you have to close this and press it from this point. Now it is locked, and then you have to press these two buttons together. These should not be pressed one at a time. These both should be pressed together. They have provided these CMYK 4 bottles along with this printer, and also there are two extra black bottles are there. These two extra black bottles they have provided, because mostly we are like black color is being used most of the time, so they have provided these two extra bottles as well. So let's fill the bottle, the refill with ink. Here these are the small nozzles. You have to remove this nozzle from here and you can keep it back here like this. And similarly on the other part, like CMY, cyan, magenta and yellow, you have to install on one side and black on the other side. Carefully close this nozzle. Just keep the nozzle inside and press the bottle. As you can see, the ink is filling. Now you have to close this nozzle carefully. Just close it completely. Don't like close it sideways. They have installed all the instructions very well, so I think no one will have a problem in installing this. It's very good that they have like this clear transparent glasses there, so you will come to know which ink is getting emptied in your printer and you can refill it. So after initial installation of headers and filling of the ink, your printer is now ready, and you need to connect it with the power cord. There is the plug at the back of the power cord at the back of the printer, and I will recommend you, although the installation complete process for the initial installation is available in the booklet that is provided with the printer, but I'll recommend you that you should call the customer care for the first time installation, because in my case also I tried installing it with myself, and you can see the ink levels, because the initial installation will take some amount of ink for the headers. So I tried it 2 to 3 times, and then I called the customer care, and they have guided us for the installation, and in the process I lost around 25 to 30% of the ink. So I'll recommend you to call the customer care initially itself, and then they will guide you and you can install the Wi-Fi and you can install the app in your phone for installation. And now let's talk about the features, why I have chosen this printer, because it is an ink tank technology, and other printers are also available like inkjet printers and also laser printers. For inkjet printers, the cost of the per print cost is very high, and for tank, the initial cost of the printer, although it is high as compared to the inkjet printers, but the cost for per print page and the quality of the print is very good. So that's why I've chosen this. This printer comes with a 1-year warranty, and it will print with around 15,000 pages in one refill, and the cost for each print is around 9 paisa for black and white, and for color print it will cost you around 32 paisa per page. This printer comes with a multifunction. It can print, scan and copy also. You can the paper you need to insert here, and the print will come here. You can collect the printouts by extending this tray also. And for scan you can use, for photocopy and for scanning you can use this tray, and also you can scan the printers. So for the scanning and the photocopy part, here the markings you will get. So it will give you 3 sizes: B5, A4 size and the letter size. So if you are photocopying your documents or you are scanning, you will get the sizes here also. And we will tell you also about the app and how to use the Wi-Fi and everything. So let's talk about some more features of this printer. It has it will give quite a good speed, as around 9 pages per minute, and for colored it will give you around 5 pages per minute. And you can use multiple sizes of the paper. It will also give you a borderless printing option. And for 1 ink bottle that you will refill here, it will give you around 6,000 printouts, and for color it will give you in 1 refill around 7,000 printouts. And the ink bottles are easily available in the market. The ink bottle that is used in this printer is G1790, and you can use it with the USB cable also, as well as with the Wi-Fi. It will come with 6 ink bottles, and the noise level for this printer is 46 dB. I will also show you the working. So if you are using it without the cable, you just need to plug it with the power cord and just open it. It will take few seconds. And by default it will connect to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi of your home if you are installing it initially. This all things you can do with the help of customer care, and I will provide the customer care number in the description box. You can take it from there. And for colored printing you can use it if you are using with with cord, with the cable, then you need to operate it with the color black buttons separate are there. You can use it from here, and either you can use it is more convenient to use it with the Wi-Fi. You just have to install the app in your mobile and you have to use it. This is the app Canon Print that you need to install in your mobile phone for operating the printer on Wi-Fi, and it will give you all the options. As photo print, it will directly take the photographs from your gallery and it will print. For document print, it can directly either from your smartphone storage or from the cloud, it will take the documents. And also this create photo item, you can create an select function. You need to install for this you need to install a separate app that we are not using. as of now, and this is for copy scanning. So it will directly, if you are scanning with the Wi-Fi, it will directly download the scanned document in your phone. The same options will be available here also. These are the settings for scanning. You can change the settings from here. For copy also you can change the settings, black copy, color copy, whatever you want. And here are some more settings, some services that they are providing. So this app is very handy to use. Here some more FAQs, how to load the paper, some online manuals, utilities. You will get everything in this app. So if you want to take a printer for a long-term usage in your home or either for a small business purpose, this Inktank printer is completely suitable for you, because in the long term the cost of printing is very less and the quality is also really good. This is a G3000 series, and I will leave the its link in the description box for the best sellers on Amazon, so you can check that out. So thank you friends for watching the video, and please like the video and share it with your friends and family. And also, we are not making any paid videos. We are only sharing the experience, that the personal experience. So your views and your likes and comments really matters to us. Thank you. And also please subscribe to our channel, because that is the greatest most gratitude thing that you can show us. Thank you.